spaghetti, cheese, black pepper, Rome, Cacio e Pepe. Welcome to Pasta of the Month. Spaghetti, pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper. It only takes 3 simple ingredients to make one of the most iconic Roman pasta dishes, cacio e pepe. First of all, make sure you get spaghetti with a rough surface. This makes the sauce adhere to the pasta much more efficiently later on. Salt, a good amount of water. It should taste like the Mediterranean, they say, so like quite salty seawater. Bring to a boil and add your spaghetti. Don't break it, just give it a twist and release. When soft, bend the spaghetti into the water. You want to cook the pasta around halfway. While the pasta is cooking, grate the pecorino romano cheese. I've grated this amount, which becomes one pretty decent portion. Bring a pan to a medium heat. Grind a good amount of black pepper into the pan to toast it. This will bring out a much more complex flavor. Make sure to move it around so you don't burn it. Then, add a few ladles of the pasta water to the pan. Be careful if the pan is very hot, because the water could splash out. Once cooked halfway, add the spaghetti to the pan. Finish the cooking in the pan, adding more water as needed, but don't add more than necessary. Just enough to cover the pasta. Once the pasta is almost fully cooked, start adding a small amount of the grated cheese and incorporate into the pasta water in the pan. Some people add pasta water to the cheese before adding it to the pan, but this is to show you that it's also possible to add it directly to the pan. All roads lead to Rome, I guess. When fully incorporated, add the rest bit by bit and incorporate. Make sure your pan is not too hot during this step, as you risk the cheese coagulating on the bottom of the pan. Finish by tossing the pasta in the pan until the consistency thickens. You want it a bit thinner than the consistency you envision later on, as it will thicken on the plate. Once thick and creamy, toss it so it's collected on one side of the pan. Thread a large pair of pincers or a roasting fork through the pasta and twirl it. Get a spoon under the pasta and twirl it until you have spun it into one big pile. Transfer the pasta to a plate and slide the spoon out from under the spaghetti. Make sure to have some of the pasta stick to the spoon and land off-center on the rim of the plate. Don't forget to add the leftover sauce from the pan, and there you go, cacio e pepe, just like in Rome. You can add a bit of extra cheese and a sprinkle of pepper if desired. Thank you very much for watching. It's always appreciated. If you enjoyed this video on cacio e pepe, make sure to like and subscribe for more like this. Also, don't forget to comment on which classic pasta dish you would like to see next time on Pasta of the Month. Take care.